Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is, sort based on consonants. Header files. Hashtag include istdio.h includes the standard input-output library for functions like printf and scanf. Hashtag include istlib.h includes the standard library for functions like malloc and free. Consonant counting function. Int count consonants, char *str defines a function that counts the number of consonants in a given string. Uses a for loop to iterate through each character in the string, incrementing a counter for non-vowel characters. Returns the count of consonants. String swapping function. Void swap, char str1, char str2 defines a function to swap two strings, pointers to strings. Uses a temporary variable to exchange the addresses of the two strings. Sorting function. Void sort by consonants, char *arr, int n defines a function to sort an array of strings based on the count of consonants. Employs the bubble sort algorithm, comparing and swapping strings based on consonant count. Main function. Int main, the main function where program execution begins. Declares variables, including the number of strings n and an array of strings arr. Input section. Scanf, %d, and n reads the number of strings from the user input. Dynamically allocates memory for each string in the array using malloc. Sorting. Sort by consonants, arr, n calls the function to sort the array of strings based on consonant count. Output section. For int I equals 0, I less than n, I++ iterates through the sorted array and prints each string. Printf, %s, arr, I, prints each string followed by a space. Return 0, indicates successful program execution. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.